This all began a few weeks ago. I bought a Rubik's Cube and I didn't really know what to do next. So to relax myself a little bit and in the hopes of solving the whole cube first time, I started solving Rubik's Cube. But no matter how hard I tried, I can only solve one color of the cube, and that when I got the idea. But before I can show it to you, it requires a little bit of planning. And I wanted to do something new, so I wrote some ideas on my notebook. Got a new cube, and now I'm pretty sure of what this video to be about. So today I'm going to learn how to solve Rubik's Cube in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Research. So the first day I'm gonna searching on YouTube tutorials to solve Rubik's Cube.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh baby, 125.
Now after learning from YouTube tutorials, I started to solve the cube myself. In this method, first we have to make a plus sign and after corner pieces, and then the second and finally the last row, which was very difficult for me. But after few more attempts while watching the tutorials, I started getting confidence, so decided to try for the first time by myself. Slowly I am getting better, but into practice and even single time I make a mistake is when I apply the algorithm in the wrong way. After one day of practice, I have been finally able to solve the cube for the first time in about 45 minutes. Even if in the beginning it might seem impossible, I really believe that anyone can learn how to solve Rubik's Cube. And to be honest, I wasn't expecting it, but solving the cube is really fun. Then I finally felt that I was ready. Alright, this is the end of the third day if I can make it in less than 2 minutes.